Hello, my dear students. Welcome to EVS lecture, EVS part 2. Today we are going to learn next point of lesson number 7 from shelter to village settlements. In our previous lecture, we have learned about shelter and we have learned little bit about seasonal camps. So today we are going to learn next paragraph of same topic, seasonal camps. First of all, I am going to read this paragraph and then I will give explanation about the same topic. The changed diet pattern enabled the groups of Homo sapiens to roam to faraway regions. They moved their camps to different places according to seasonal changes. There, they harvested seasonal wild grains and gathered seasonal fruits and roots. They would find out the best season for fishing and use the knowledge to their advantage. By observation, they discovered the best hunting grounds for these seasons. For these reasons, they stayed in one place for a longer periods. They cleared jungle by felling trees and set up their seasonal camps in clearing. So see children, in our previous lecture already we have learned that by the time of the middle stone age, big animals like mammoth means huge elephant, they were on the way of extinction, and so that they developed means the humans in middle stone age developed hunting. Homo sapiens had largely turned to fishing and also began to depend more on hunting smaller animals, not very huge animals. So smaller animals means, for example, boar, deer, mountain, goat and sheep. So this changed diet, already they have changed their diet only. Why? Because of the extinction of huge animals like mammoth and because of environmental. So for all these things, they change their diet pattern, and this changed diet pattern enable the groups of Homo sapiens to move here and there, means to roam to faraway regions. So in this way, they moved their camps also to different places according to seasonal changes, means because of changed environment, they moved their camps to different places. There they harvested wild grains and gathered seasonal fruits and roots, means they developed planting habit. So they would find out the best seasons for fishing and use the knowledge to their advantage. Means in this way they developed agriculture also and they developed fishing also. So by observation they discovered the best hunting grounds. With the help of their brain, they developed, means they discovered hunting grounds also, and for these seasons they stayed in one places for longer time. They cleared jungle by felling trees and set up their seasonal camps in the clearings. Means they knew the advantages and benefits of agriculture, and so that they cleared jungle and they felled trees there and set up their seasonal camps in clearings. Now next point, see, before going ahead, you can see the picture. Here is a picture of a reconstruction of a seasonal camp, and it developed in middle stone age. Okay, so we have learned that the humans in middle stone age developed seasonal camps. Okay, you can see this picture. Now we are going to learn next point. First of all, I am going to read this paragraph. Village settlement. The way of life of humans in the new stone age was completely different from that of humans in old stone age and middle stone age. During this period, humans became producers of food grains. The beginning of cultivation is a characteristic of the culture of New Stone Age. In the hunting and gathering way of life, it is necessary to keep moving all the time. However, agriculture make it possible to store food and use it over a longer period. Hence, there is no need to keep moving constantly. Moreover, the nature of agriculture work made it necessary to stay in one place. Therefore, people established permanent village settlement and lived in them generation after generation. In the next lesson, we shall review the social organization and culture of this village settlement. So see children, in this topic or in this paragraph, what we have learned, that the life of human in New Stone Age was completely changed or completely different from the life of Old Stone Age and from the life of Middle Stone Age. Why? Because they developed totally different practice in their life. The beginning of cultivation is a characteristics of the culture of New Stone Age. Means they developed cultivation, hunting and gathering way of life. It is necessary to keep moving all the time. But they developed agriculture, and this agriculture habit give them a good opportunity to stay at one place. So however, agriculture make it possible to store food and use it over the longer period of time. So in this way, they developed agriculture, they developed all these things just like a fishing and whatever is there. But because of agriculture, they got a new chance to improve their standard of living, and so that there is no need to keep moving constantly for them, and so that the nature of agriculture work made it necessary to stay in one place, and because of agriculture they developed practice to stay in one place. Therefore, people established permanent village settlement and lived in them generation after generation. In the next lesson, what we will learn? We will learn about a social organization and culture of this village settlement. See children, you can see the picture. Here is a very talkative picture of reconstruction of a village settlement. See, in New Stone Age, humans developed a reconstruction of a village settlements, and in this way they developed their standard of living, and because of agriculture it is good for them to stay at one place, and agriculture make it possible to store food and use it over a longer period of time, and so that there is a constant need to stay at a one place because of farming. Okay children, so in this lesson number 7, from shelter to village settlement, we have learned shelter, we have learned seasonal camp, and we have learnt about village settlements. In our next lecture, we will learn next lesson, and in this lesson we will learn about a social organization and culture of this village settlement. Okay children, thank you. Thanks a lot.